Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the Samsung settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the list of all apps, choose here settings, scroll down and simply choose here the general management right here. From the following options, let's choose reset, and here let's tap factory data reset. So here we've got the information about the process. You will erase all personal data including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service providers, installed apps and lots of more. Basically the whole internal storage. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset, and to begin the whole operation tap delete all. That's it, the phone right now is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.